Hey, it's Charlotte from the Mac Observer here. I got my hands on a new Apple Watch SE. So let's take a look inside the box. First of all, one thing to notice is there is no wall charger in the box. Obviously there's the little puck-like thing, but there's no wall charger. So it's all much thinner, and you unclip the back and you have two separate boxes for the strap and for the watch itself. Obviously, let's start with the actual watch. I bought an aluminium SE, the 40mm one, and a Nike Sports Loop strap. This particular colour is apparently called Purple Pulse. I don't know about you guys, but I always find these Apple boxes a bit of a fiddle. So you take off the little tape and stuff on the edge, open it all up. You can just pull the backs open here, pull it open. And inside you have your lovely new Watch SE. Some basic setup instructions. And as I say, the charger, there's no wall mount, but you get the puck that you can place the watch on. So that's all in that first box. Now to the strap. Again, open it all up, pull off the tabs and the tape, etc. And inside is the Nike Sports Loop. Got instructions how to set it all up, and there you go. We'll leave that there for the moment. This is the watch itself, so you can take off that little bit of covering. And here you have it. And when you put the band on, that's what you get. Obviously, there'll be lots more tips and tricks for the watch coming up on the channel, so please do subscribe, and I'll see you all on the channel again soon.